Hey there, and welcome to Study and Prepare with me. I am your guide, and I am so excited you are here. Whether you are a student aiming for top grades, someone preparing for an important exam, or just curious about learning something new, you have come to the right place. On this channel, you will find general knowledge, current affairs, reasoning, English, etc. My goal is to help you study smarter, not harder, so you can achieve your academic goals and still have times for the things you love. Let's dive into today's lesson and start mastering those concepts together. Legislative powers of the President, Article 123, powers of President to promulgate ordinances during recess of Parliament, the Union Judiciary. Article 124, establishment and constitutions of Supreme Court. Article 126, appointment of acting Chief Justice. Article 127, appointment of ad hoc judges. Article 128, attendance of retired judge at sitting of the Supreme Court. Article 129, Supreme Court to be a court of record. Article 131, original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Article 132, appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from High Court in certain cases. Article 133, appellate jurisdictions of Supreme Court in appeals from High Court in regard to civil matters. Article 134, appellate jurisdictions of Supreme Court in regard to criminal matters. Article 136, special leave to appeal by Supreme Court. Article 137, review of judgments or orders by the Supreme Court. Article 141, law declared by Supreme Court to be binding on all courts. Article 143, power of President to consult Supreme Court. Article 144, civil and judicial authorities to act in aid of the Supreme Court. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 148, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 149, duties and powers of Comptroller and Auditor General. At Part VI, the states. Article 152 to 237. The government at the state level, the executive, the state legislature, the high courts and subordinate courts. Part B3I, Articles 239 to 242, the Union Territories. Part IX, Article 243 to 243, O, the Panchayat. Part IXA, Article 243P to 243 ZG, the municipalities. Part IXB, Article 243 ZH to 243 ZT, the Cooperative Society. At Part X, Article 244 to 244A, the Scheduled and Tribal Areas. Part XI, Article 245 to 263, relations between the Union and the states. Part X2I, Article 264 to 300, finance, property, contracts and suits. Article 300A, right to property. Part X3I, Article 301 to 307, trade, commerce and industry within the India. Part XIB, service under the Union and the states. Article 309, government and conditions of service of persons serving the Union or a state. Article 311, dismissal, removal or reductions in rank of persons employed in civil capacities under the Union or a state. Article 312, All India Services. Article 315, Public Service Commissions for the Union and for the states. Article 320, Functions of Public Service Commission. Part XIVA. Articles 323A to 323B, Tribunals. Part IXB, Elections. Article 324, superintendence, directions and control of elections to be vested in an election commission. Article 325, no person to be ineligible for inclusion in or to claim to be included in a special electoral roll on grounds on religion, race, caste or sex. Article 326, elections to be House of the People and to the legislative assemblies of the states to be on the basis of adult suffrage. Article 329, bar to interference by courts in electoral matters. Part XPI. Article 330 to 342, special provisions for certain classes. Part XB2I, Article 343 to 351 Official Languages. Part XB3I, Article 352 to 360 Emergency Provisions. Part XIX, Miscellaneous. Article 363 bar to interference by courts in disputes arising out of certain treaties, agreements, etc. Article 365 effect of failure to comply with or to give effect no directions given to by the Union. Part XS, Article 368 Amendment of the Constitution. Part XXI, Article 369 to 392 Temporary, Transitional and Special Provisions, Special Status of States. Part XX2I, Article 393 to 395 short title commencement authoritative text in Hindi and repeats. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might benefit. And if you have not already hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.